Hi friends, welcome back to my other Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create superhuman lighting effect in Photoshop. Before begin, don't forget to subscribe my channel below. And hit bell icon to never miss the update. Let's get started. First of all, double click and select this image, and hit open. Cool. Zoom into the eyes of this image by holding Ctrl+. Now take the pen tool. And select the eyes like this. Now right click and choose Make Selection. Here set the feather radius to 1 pixels and press OK. Take a new layer. Change the foreground color to white. Hit Alt Delete or Alt Backspace buttons to fill the foreground color. Now hit Ctrl D for deselection. Perfect. Now go to Filter, Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. Here increase the radius value to 5 pixels and press OK. Cool. Now go to Layer Styles option. And choose Outer Glow. Here select Sky Blue color. Increase the size and spread values. Also choose Inner Glow Style option. Set the same color. Increase the size value to 21 pixels. And press OK. Now the time to apply lighting effects. So we need to install lighting brushes. Go to the folder. You can also download this folder, link in description below. Right click on this lighting brushes. And select open. Brush is installed and we redirected to Photoshop. Take the brush tool. Select one of the lighting brush in this section. Make sure our foreground color should be white. Take a new layer. We need to rotate the brush angle. So click on this toggle the brush panel. Change the brush angle. Now the time to apply lighting brushes like this. Double click on this layer. And apply outer and inner glow layer styles. Then press OK. Now the time to use different lighting brushes to create the effect. Also use eraser tool to erase the unwanted parts. Now the time to see the final result. Thank you and need your support.